guys, I'm about to improve my anvil stand one more time. I wanted to show you, I changed the bolts, put some heavier duty lag bolts on there, and it's holding on. I want to show you something else though. So I screwed into this, but apparently I didn't screw in that middle piece very well. I may just grab a one long screw that'll go through and just hold it. But I thought that was pretty funny. I'm gonna put these casters on the side so that if I need to, I can roll it around easily because it is pretty heavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw these on. I'll show you when it's done. Okay, I added a screw right here to hold that so that when I wheel it around, that board doesn't fall out, the 4x4. So let me show you, set you down here if I can. So the wheels are on, the casters are on. Oh, lift her up. Like so. You guys probably can't even see that yet. Let's bring her down like that. And then I'll just wheel it back like this. And I can wheel it around much easier than trying to carry it. Beauty, eh? That'll work. Get it back to where it was. There we go. Those casters are pretty small. You can see they don't take up much space. They're not going to be in the way when we're anviling because we'll be standing here hammering. So they'll be out of the way, but it'll make it so much easier for us to move this thing around. So perfect.